Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vishal Rayan. I am an aspiring cybersecurity professional trying to break into the field. And on this YouTube channel, I document my journey into cybersecurity. So today's video is going to be about malware-traffic-analysis.net tutorials. This is going to be the very first video in the video series that I'm going to make. I think there are about 13 of these, and we will make a video on every single one of them. Starting with the very first tutorial, it teaches you how to change your column display. So if you go to the site, the blog post, and download the zip file, this is what you get. You will get this file and you extract it to get the pcap file. The password is infected. Every file on the site is password protected, and it's the same password for everything. So use that, get the file, open that with Wireshark. This is the default view you'll be treated with if this is the very first time you're starting Wireshark. It's not that bad, but when you're doing malware traffic analysis, there are some fields that are more important as in some fields that you'll be using more often. So it would make sense to have them here in your column view and remove the ones that you won't be using much. To give you a basic idea of what's going on, number is the frame number. It starts with 1 and it goes all the way down till whenever your packet capture was stopped. And time is time in seconds. Source address, destination address, protocol, the protocol being used. Length is the length of the frame, size of the frame in bytes. And info gives you basic information of what's going on. So info is something that we need. Length, protocol, and number are things we won't be using much. So you can either hide them, right click on this and just untick number so the number goes away, or you can just remove them. So protocol, I usually don't use protocol, so remove that. And length, remove this. So now we have time, source, destination, and info. Another thing you might want to do is change the time format. It's always best to use UTC, days and time of day, and change your time to seconds. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now we will need additional columns, and you do that by right clicking on any column. Go to column preferences, you go to click on this plus icon. That should give you new column. Right click, double click on number, go all the way down to source port unresolved. Title will be source port. Okay, then add that again, add another column, double click on number, choose destination port unresolved, destination port. It helps to keep them closed so it's easier when you're just doing your analysis. Okay, so we have source port next to source, destination port next to destination. Perfect. It looks good. Hit on OK. Just make sure everything is set OK, and then line left. Okay, that looks much better. Now we need 2 more columns. That's host and server name. For that, you just type in this Wireshark filter first. One, click on anything, any frame. Go here, go to host here. Add as apply as column. Okay, and we also need server name, so that would be SSL handshake type. Okay, now click on any frame, go to TLS transport layer security, Then you go to handshake protocol, and then you go to extension server name. Under server name, you will find server name. Yeah, this one. Right click, apply as column. That's it. So now you're basically good to go. You've done, you have a brief understanding of what these columns mean. We know how to add, remove, delete, add custom columns, and also go through frames and create your own columns. Server host name, yeah, this is perfect. Okay, so in the next video we will be going through what display filters.